How to change email on Ring app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can change your email address on the Ring application. For this, go ahead and open the Ring app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can head over to Play Store or App Store in order to download and install the application. Once you have opened it, make sure to sign into your account. After you have been signed in, if you want to change your email address for some reason, then follow these simple steps. Step 1 is to tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on the option of Account Settings. From here, all of the information about your account will be visible. Go ahead and tap on the Email option. Now your current email address will be displayed. Here, you want to tap on the Update option next to it. First of all, you will have to verify your identity. So for that, enter your password and tap on the Continue option. Now, a code has been sent to your email address. Open your mailing app and copy the code. Head over to the Ring application and paste your code over here. Now tap on the Verify Code option. After the code has been verified, you will have to enter your new email address. Then enter the email address one more time for confirmation. Now tap on the Change Email option. You will receive a mail on your new email address, something like this. Go ahead and tap on the Verify Now option. As you can see, your email has been verified. Now head over to the Ring application, tap on the Sign In option, and now you can very easily use your new email address to sign in. And this is how you can change email on the Ring app. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.